Hi, my name is Prince Don Matthew. Today I am here before you to present my research design, and this is my research topic: efficiency improvement and cost reduction in a virtual power plant using a week ahead analysis. Before moving further, we need to identify what actually a virtual power plant is. A virtual power plant is considered as a cluster of distributed energy resources, energy storage system, as well as the interruptible loads. These all units function together as a single power plant, and that's the main speciality of a VPP. While considering a VPP with a normal plant, we can see that VPPs are more cost efficient as well as more efficient in power control. Moving to my research topic, the main important topic is the error reduction. It is the major topic for any research, and error can be occurred in a system due to the integration of DER units or any other unit in a VPP. The systematic reduction of error may increase the efficiency as well as the working of the system. Otherwise, it reduces the efficiency as well as the effectiveness of the system. And the other point is day-ahead scheduling. Most of the researchers use day-ahead scheduling for their experiment, and it was not practically efficient for error reduction or for profit maximization in a system. As a result, the power generation as well as the efficiency decreased to a certain extent. Then, in all the literatures, the major study was about the problems faced by VPPs during their operation. Here we can see the four major problems occurred in a VPP. That is the profit maximization, load control, uncertainties in the system, and also energy market. The first one is uncertainties in the function. There are many types of uncertainties: load uncertainties, energy uncertainties, market price uncertainties, etc. This can be effectively reduced and was done successfully in many researchers using load optimization techniques. The second one is profit maximization, and this is one of the most important aim for all the researchers that I study for my research. Profit maximization is an important technique in which we have to find and reduce the errors by using load scheduling algorithms or through programming algorithms. And the another two problems are energy market and load control. The management technique for these two are almost the same, and what we need to do is reducing the errors or uncertainties caused by these two problems using load regulation techniques or through energy utilization techniques. And this is my research question, and through this research I intend or try to find out the changes that occur in VPP in the efficiency as well as the cost of operation of the system. I have changed the normal day-ahead analysis to a week-ahead analysis for my research design. And for that purpose, I introduced an experimental approach with a VPP considering of thermal, photovoltaic and fuel cell unit in them. And I also developed a linear integer program, MILP algorithm, for the simulation purpose and also for the week ahead analysis. The MILP technique was not much efficient, and for improving the efficiency, I introduced the load forecasting and load control strategy in them, so that I can do the simulation using the MATLAB software, and we can find the operating cost as well as the efficiency of system. And this is the power outcome graph of the system, and we can see the different DER units, and the most share of the power outcome was from the thermal power unit. And also by using this data we can analyze the system, and efficiency as well as the cost can be found. Coming to the advantages and disadvantages, it is found that there is an increment of 40% in terms of efficiency while comparing with the normal method. And also the operating cost of the VPP is reduced to a certain extent while we compare with the day ahead analysis. As my concern was only for profit cost reduction as well as the energy maximization or efficiency maximization, the practical difficulties that to be faced by the VPPs are not considered in this research, and also a large scale generation was not considered. As a conclusion, I can say that a weekly based analysis is always better than a day ahead analysis in terms of energy reduction, profit maximization, and also uncertainty reduction. So this can be used effectively and in future too.